Today, we're going to show you how to create an account on Muchbetter, a digital wallet that can be used to enhance your online gambling experience. Muchbetter is a secure and convenient payment solution that can be used for a variety of online transactions. It offers instant deposits and withdrawals, low fees, and a seamless experience across numerous platforms. Let's get started. Step 1. Complete the fields with your personal information. This includes your account currency, name, email, phone number, and a secure passcode. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues later. Step 2. Enter the verification code sent to you via SMS. This step is crucial for securing your account. Step 3. Download the Muchbetter app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log in with your new credentials to start enjoying the benefits of Muchbetter. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app. Here, you can easily check your balance, add funds to your account, transfer money, and view transaction history. For gambling players, Muchbetter provides specific advantages like fast transactions for deposits and withdrawals, low fees, higher deposit acceptance rates, and a simple way to manage online gambling accounts. Don't forget to check out the rewards section. By topping your wallet, you earn MB coins that can be converted to real money. You can also unlock the multiplier wheel that increases the number of coins you earn for a limited time. Additionally, you can earn rewards from Muchbetter and online gambling websites, including Muchbetter rewards points every time you spend $10 at online gambling websites. Creating an account on Muchbetter is simple and quick, giving you a secure and efficient way to manage your transactions. Sign up today and experience the difference.